Hello children, this is Jayanto sir of St. Vincent Convent Senior Secondary School, Baleshwar. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of standard 8, and in last class I had discussed some examples and also few questions from exercise 7a, and the remaining questions hereby I am discussing now. Look at that, open your book, exercise 7a, and see that question number 14. In an examination, the pass mark is 40%. If a candidate gets 65 marks and fails by 3 marks, find the maximum marks. So what you have to do, children, here, look at here. You can write now the answers. What you will write? Answers. You can write now that in an examination, percentage of pass mark equal to, it is given that 40%. Obtained mark, how much mark it is secured, that is obtained mark equal to 65 marks, and it is given also it is fails by 3 marks. And question, it is asked that find the maximum marks. So you can take now that let the maximum mark be x. Then we can write that according to question what it is, ATQ, according to question 40%, it is given that it is 40% is the pass mark. So we can write now that 40% of x equal to, it is 65 marks had obtained and fails by 3 marks. This one according to question we can write. So we can write now that implies that 40% means it is 40 by 100 of means into x equal to 68, implies that 40 into x, 40x by 100 equal to, we can write now that 68, implies that 40x equal to 68 into 100, implies that x equal to 68 into 100 whole divided by 40. Now we can do that cut now that it is 4 0 0 0, then 4 1 4, 4 1 4, 2 8, 4 7 28, implies that x equal to 170, 17 into 10, 117. Therefore you can write now that here, therefore maximum mark equal to 170. So children, then see that next question, question number 16, what it is given. In an objective type paper of 150 questions, John got 80% correct answers and Mohan got 64% correct answers. How many correct answers did each get? Means each get means Mohan how many got and John how many got. What percent is Mohan's correct answer to Johan's correct answer? See children, what it is given here, go through the question very nicely. The total number of questions it is given. You can write now that total number of questions equal to, it is given that 150. Then John got correct answers, it is 80%. So we can write now that John got correct answers equal to, we can write now that 80% of 150 equal to, we can write now that 80% means it is 80 by 100 into 150 we can do, that is we can cut now that it is this 0 cancel and this 0 cancelled, it is 15 8 ja 120. This is John got correct answers, that 120 correct answers. Then we have to find out that Mohan got correct answers equal to how much percentage, it is given that how much it is 64% correct answers. So we can do now that equal to 64% of 150, total number of that is 150 equal to, we can do that 64 by 100 into 150. Now we will reduce now that this 0 cancelled, then 5 2 ja 10, this is 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, then 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 32 into 3 equal to, it is coming the total 96. See the children, question number B, it is given that how many correct answers did each get. That means answer we got now that John got 120 answers correct and Mohan got 96 correct answers. Next B2I, it is given that, it is B2I answer, it is given that percentage of Mohan's correct answer, percentage of Mohan's correct answers to Johan's correct answers. Correct answers equal to, that is Mohan's we had got that how many, it is 120, sorry, Mohan's we had got that 96 and John's we had got that 120. So in fraction we can write this one that 96, that is John's correct answer 96 to, sorry, Mohan's correct answer is 96 to John's correct answer is that 120. Then convert into percentage means multiply by 100, then give that percentage sign, then it is this 0 cancel, 4 3 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 4 4 ja 16, 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, 8 into 10 equal to 80%. So this B2I, that answer is that 80%. Next children, come to that next question number, that is question number 19. You come in your exercise, and before going through the question number 19 and 20, you have to go through the some formulas. So whenever that increase percent and original value will be given, look at here that when increase percentage and original value will be given, the new cost equal to original cost into 1 plus x by 100 x by 100 means that is total percentage, how much percentage it is given, that much percentage divided by 100. And like that, whenever decrease percentage and original value will be given, then children, new cost equal to decrease percentage is given means that is original cost into 1 minus x by 100, 1 minus x by 100 as it is given that decrease percentage, this minus. But whenever it is given that when consecutive, suppose increase percentage will be given, again it is decrease percentage will be given and original value will be given, at that time new cost equal to formula, you remember that original cost into 1 plus x by 100 because it is increased, and again into 1 minus x by 100 means it is decreased. Children, these formulas you have to remember. If you will remember this formula for solving the problems, it will be easy for you. See that now question number 19, children. The cost of an article is first increased by 20% and then decreased by 30%. Find the percentage change in the cost of an article. Children, here as I told that previous, now that increase percentage already here given, that increase percentage first increased by 20%, again it is that same thing, again it is decreased by 30%. It is consecutively first increased, then again it is decreased. So we have to find out that the percentage change in the cost of an article. So to percentage the change in cost of the article, to change that means we have to find out that first net increase or decrease, then only we can get that decrease percentage. So now we will start that, let the original cost, but here not given, we will take that let the original cost be x, let the original cost be rupees x. Children, little bit problem is there, just look at here that I am bringing the question, otherwise so okay. Now let the original cost be rupees x. So then question is given that the cost of an article is first increased by 20%. You can write the same thing, the cost of an article is increased by 20% and decreased by 30%. So we will find out that now new cost equal to that formula we will apply now, original cost into 1 plus increase percentage, that 20%, 20 by 100 into 1 minus decrease percentage is given that here 30%, that means 30 by 100 consecutively. We can write now that equal to original cost, we know that it is x, it is we have taken that x into 1 plus 20 by 100, we can write now that just 1 minute. X into original cost, that is x, and 1 plus 20 by 100, we can write now that it is 120 by 100 into, it is LCM is coming that 100 minus 30 equal to 70, that means 70 by 100. So we will reduce now that this 0 cancelled, this 0 cancelled. Now we can do that. 425 ja 100, it is 4 3 ja 12, equal to coming that rupees 7 3 ja 21x by 25. We got that 21x by 25 new cost. Look at here, that observe, we had taken that, let the original cost be, we had taken that x, and it has come that new cost, it has come that 21x by 25. Now this cost is, that new cost is less than this cost x. So here net decrease we can find out now, that net decrease equal to x minus how much we had got. Look at here, we had got the 21x by this one, 21x by 25. So we can write now that 21x by 25 equal to LCM is coming that now 25 into x, 25x minus 21x equal to rupees 4x by 25. This is the net decrease. So question it is asked that percentage also decrease percentage or net change, that decrease percentage we have to find out now. So we can write down now that decrease percentage equal to decrease value 4x by 25 whole divided by, it is decrease from the total net whole value, that is divided by x into 100, converting into percentage, that percentage sign you give, equal to, we can write now that I am writing here now 4x by 25 into 1 by x, because this is in divided by x means it is into 1 by x into 100, then bracket close, then percentage sign you give, x cancelled, 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100 equal to how much we got that 16%. This is the answer. Then question it is asked that how much it is decreased, that is decreased percentage equal to 16%. Like that children, you can come to that question number 20 in 7b, that question number 20, what it is given, look at here. The cost of an article is first decreased by 25% and then the further decreased by 40%. Find the percentage change in the cost of an article, like the previous, the previous question number 19. So we can write now that answer whenever you are going to write that, let the cost of an article be rupees x, let the cost of an article be rupees x, and question it is given that what it is, the cost of an article is first decreased by 25%. You can write down now that the same thing you can write down, the cost of an article decreased by 25% and then first decreased and then again it is also decreased, then further decreased by 40%. You write down whatever question it is given, that much you write down. So we'll find out now that new cost equal to, now new cost equal to, we can write now that original cost, that is, this is the original cost we have taken. Original cost means it is, you can take that x into 1 minus, it is decreased means minus 1 minus x by 100. How much decrease percentage? First it is 25%. This is, so 1 minus 25 by 100 into, again what it is, further then decreased by 40%, further then decreased by, again also it is 40% decrease. So again you can write also 1 minus 40 by 100 equal to, we can write now that equal to x into, LCM is 100, 100 1 is 100 minus 25 equal to 75 by 100 into, LCM is 100, 100 1 is 100 minus 40 equal to 60 by 100, this much rupees. We can write now that it is 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja 4 1 ja 4, 15 ja 60, then it is 15x by, then we can cut also, again also 5 20 ja 5 3 ja, so it is coming that now 3 3 ja, so answer is coming that 3 3 ja, look at here, here 3, here also 3, here x, 3 3 ja 9x equal to rupees coming that 9x by 20. We got that 9x by 20, here x it is given that original value. If it would be that 20x by 20 something, that means it would same, or 21x by 20 it would be more, but here only 9x by 20 is given, means this one is less and this one is more. So new, here it is less means it is cost has been decreased. So we have to find out now that net decrease equal to, like that we can do also, net decrease equal to it is 9x by, sorry, net decrease we have to find out now. Total it was that x minus 9x by 20, that is net decrease we are going to find out. LCM is now 20, it is 20x minus 9x equal to rupees 11x by 20 we got. Now net decrease we got that 11x by 20, so decrease percentage equal to, that means change in percentage equal to, we will find out now, decrease percentage equal to, how much it is, 11x by 20 it is decrease, whole divided out of x into 100, then bracket close, then percentage sign equal to, we can do that 11x by 20 into 1 by x into 100, then bracket close, then percentage sign you give, so x cancelled, 21 ja 20, then 25 ja, it is 21 ja 20, 25 ja 100 it is, then 11 5 ja, wait it is, then 11 5 ja 55%. So this is 55% we got that answer. So children, you have to complete that exercise 7a. So previous class also few questions I had done, and this class also many questions, 4 to 5 questions, 4 questions I did. So you will complete that exercise 7a and see you in the next class. Okay, thank you.